guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to create a makeup look that you guys can easily follow along to. Like, this is a look if you have been trying to learn how to do makeup better and trying to learn different techniques and all that stuff. This video is for you. I wanted to do something that was a little bit more smoky, highlighty, and glam and contour, but I wanted it to be easy to follow along. So I hope that I achieved that with this video. If there's anything else I can do better, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what you think about this foundation. It's the first time I ever tried it out, and I don't know how I feel about it. It looks pretty in person. I don't know how it looks on camera. I feel like it looks a little light, especially when I first applied it, but I feel like it oxidized to a nice color for my complexion. So let me know what you think. I'm gonna stop talking because I talk way too damn much, and let's just jump right into this. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Harmony, and I say that in every video, but if you're new, then you wouldn't know that my name is Harmony, right? You must say. Because I know that a lot of people watch makeup tutorials and they're like, I just can't follow along. So I'm going to be doing a simple glam makeup look that's super easy to follow along. So it's kind of going to be like a full glam for beginners. I just want to say a couple things before I get started. When you're watching makeup tutorials, I learned everything that I know from makeup on YouTube. I couldn't even tell you how many YouTube videos I've watched in the past. I've been watching YouTube videos since 2013, so the past 5 years. I can't tell you how many makeup tutorials I've watched. It's just something that I do. I love watching makeup tutorials, so I thought that I would show a video on the easiest way to follow along to a makeup tutorial. So you don't need to use the same exact products that you see people using in their videos. You can use whatever you have. You can use bronzer as eyeshadow, lipstick as primer for your eyes. Like, you can do so many things with makeup. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys different ways to follow along with a makeup tutorial. So let's just get started. So first I'm going to start with my face, and I'm going to be prepping it with this argan oil. Like I said, everybody's different. You can use whatever you feel comfortable using. If you feel comfortable using a moisturizer, then use a moisturizer. If you feel comfortable using a primer, use a primer. I don't use either. Sometimes I use moisturizer, but most of the time I don't. So I apply this all over my face. When you're doing makeup, don't let anybody tell you that there is a certain order for makeup. I've heard so many people say brows after foundation, brows before foundation, eyeshadow before foundation. It doesn't matter. You can do your freaking lipstick first if you wanted to. I mean, I've never seen anybody do that before. I go through phases. Sometimes I like to do my eyebrows first. Sometimes I like to do my eyebrows last. Lately, I've just been kind of whatever I feel when I wake up and do my makeup. So today I'm going to be doing my eyes first, just because I don't know, I want to. So that's what we're going to be doing. You can use a concealer to prime your eyes, which I use all the time, and I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. I like this one because it's not super thick, so it doesn't crease that much if you set it. I have been using concealer for years now. I can't even tell you the last time I ever used an eyeshadow primer. I think when I first started doing makeup, I used to use the Urban Decay primer potion. I think that's what it's called. I like to set my base with a neutral color. This is the Lorac Pro palette. Like I said, you can use any color. I'm just going to take Blanc and Canvas, which are these two colors right here, and I'm just going to use that to set the concealer on my eyes. Just a light layer to prevent creasing and so that the colors blend together more smoothly. I am using this palette that people are probably like, what? You still have that? It still works, and I still use it. This is a Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the first one that she ever created, so people probably don't own this still. So yeah, I'm going to be using a few colors from this palette today, and I'm also going to be using a few colors from different palettes, so just bear with me. It doesn't matter the palette, just use the colors. The first color I'm going to be taking is this color right here. It's just a matte brown color, and I'm just going to be applying this to the outer part of my eye and blending it in to the center of my eye like that. And this is just going to really open up your eye, and then I'm going to do the same thing again. And honestly, The biggest part about eyeshadow and having your eyeshadow come out blended, it's about layers, layering products, and not just going right in with black. You want to build up the color and blend, blend, blend. I'm going a lot lighter in the front of my eye, and I'm blending a little bit heavier on the outer part. And I'm going to show you guys how to do a little cut crease today, because I feel like it's not that hard, but a lot of people get intimidated by doing cut creases, but they're actually really easy once you get the hang of it. So I'm going to show you guys how. So I'm going to take this brush from Anastasia, and this is just a brush that comes with her palettes, and I'm going to take the Lorac Pro palette. This is the first one, and I'm going to take Sable and Espresso, which are just darker brown colors, and I'm kind of just going to be doing the same thing that I did with that first color, and just kind of building it in on the outer corner and then blending it into my crease. And in the front, I'm going to focus the color right here. So I'm going to look forward, and I'm just going to blend this right here. So it's going to look weird at first. I promise you, you're going to be like, what? It's going to look weird, but in the end, it's going to all come together. Don't be scared. I'm going to just go back in with the brush that I used first, and I'm just going to blend everything out. You can go back in, like I said, with the darker color, which is Espresso, so just a darker brown, and you can just deepen it up just a wee bit if you want a more smoky look. And applying the color in the front is really what's going to make the cut crease happen. For the cut crease, you can take any concealer that you would like. So I'm going to just take the same concealer that I used to prime. Since this is like a thinner consistency, I'm going to get some on my brush like this. And this is the little hack that is going to help you with the cut crease. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply a little bit right here. Okay. Do you see the line? Now you can see exactly where to cut your crease. You can see the difference. It just makes your eyes look way bigger. Go in with the lighter colors that I used to set my eyes from the Lorac 3 palette. I'm going to take the brown colors and I'm just going to blend out the edges. You can add eyeliner if you'd like. It's optional. Some people like eyeliner, some people don't. I'm going to be using the Eyeko London felt tip liner. Got it in my Ipsy bag. So for liquid liner, everyone's eyes are different. Some people like it out more, some people like it up more. I personally like it to be up more, so I just point it towards my brow and I just draw a little line like that. And I promise you, you get the hang of it the more you do it, because it's just like with anything. Practice makes perfect. That, and just draw a line. For lashes, I'm going to be taking the Eyelure Luxe Silk Effect Sumptuous Style Elongating Your Eyes. They are kind of on the pricey side from the drugstore. They're about $11. You can get 2 pairs of Cocoa lashes for that much, but Cocoa lashes are only online. I say we start a petition to start selling Cocoa lashes in Target. So I'm just going to apply these real quick. If you guys want a tutorial on how to apply lashes, then I will link that video down below because I did that on my channel. You gotta watch out for them girls that can apply lashes with their fingers. For foundation, I'm using a new foundation that I've never tried before. L'Oreal Infallible Total Coverage Foundation. So let's see. Oh, this is like moussey. It's kind of like the e.l.f. one. It's a little cold. Okay, well, let's see if this is the right color. I think it's pretty good. I always have very good luck with finding colors that match me, but this is really thick. That's what she said. Don't know how I feel about it. It's almost like clay. I don't know how to explain it, but this is very different. Okay, I feel like I need to blend this out with a brush. Alright, so I'm just gonna blend this out with a Sigma F84, and let's see. Definitely is full coverage, that's for damn sure. I don't know, guys. Oh, it looks a little light on camera. But I promise it's not that light in person. The lights definitely wash me out, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. So my face is so white right now, I can't deal. But I'm going to highlight just a little bit. Again, with this same concealer. To bronze and contour, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I recently started using it again. Everyone's face is different, so the way that I contour might be different than the way that you contour. If you just want a little bronze, you can use just like a fluffy brush and just add some color. But if you're like me and you want that snatched look, then I suggest using a brush like this, and this is a C405 contour brush by Crown. I'm just going to brush away the powder. People don't like blush, I do. So I'm taking MAC Gingerly, and I'm just going to apply some, blending it back. This is another little trick that I learned. I spray my face first, and then I'm going to apply my highlight. And for highlight, you guessed it, I'm using the Anastasia Amrezy one. And I'm taking this on a Morphe M510 brush. Look at my shirt. It's so dirty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've been using waterproof mascara to set my eyebrow. I set this one right here with it, and I'm gonna do this one. So the trick is to not apply that much, but coat all of the hairs. And it just makes them look thicker. And this is if you are like me and you don't want to buy a $30 eyebrow gel. Try this. I don't know if this would work for blondies because I obviously have dark hair and this mascara is black. But I'm sure if you have brown hair, you can get brown mascara and try it. So I'm using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Cork. And this Alright guys, so that completes this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and click the little notification bell so that you can get so you can get updated every time I drop a new video. If you guys have any video suggestions, anything, pranks, tags, vlogs, I don't know, whatever you want to see, let your girl know so I can do it. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.